welcome to day 14. I can hardly believe it's already been 2 weeks. And if you're just now joining me, my journey started at 191.6 pounds. And I'm really excited to share that I have lost in 2 weeks 5.2 pounds. I am now at 186.4. So something I wanted to share with you guys real quick is my link band. Now that I'm losing weight, is loose. When I first got this, it was really uncomfortable because it was very tight, but now it's comfortable. And I'm really enjoying this. So the weight loss is definitely paying off. So overall, today was a really good day. I went to church first thing and then spent some time playing with the kids, eating good food. I ended up eating rice and fish for lunch. And then yes, as you can see here, I had a cheat meal today. And from everything I've read and all the comments I've had, it's okay to have a cheat day. But the most exciting thing about today was the fact that I broke that 187-pound threshold. I didn't get to work out, but that's okay. I did spend a lot of time with family today. I didn't have to do near as much video editing, and now I get to call it an evening, spend time with the kids, and go to bed at a decent time tonight. Tomorrow is going to be a very busy day. I have to go to work and then straight back to work after that with the police. So tomorrow is not going to be a good physical day, but it will be a good recovery day. And as always, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel for more videos coming. That way you don't miss them. And as always, thank you so much for your comments, your support, for watching my videos. Have a great day and God bless.